Hi, I'm Michael from Litepanels. In this video, we're going to take a look at the light shaping accessories available for the Astra IP range. Whether you're on set, in the studio, or out on location, these modifiers are built to give you faster setups, softer light, and greater control. Designed by 𝗙𝗹𝗶𝗄 specifically for the Astra IP range, the Snap Bag comes in 3 sizes: the half, the 1x1, and the 2x1. Each features a quick snap and rigid design with no tools required. Inside, high efficiency reflective fabric maximizes output, and a removable half diffusion front panel attaches using Velcro to prevent any light leaks. And when you're finished, the Snap Bag folds flat and stows away in a carry bag for easy transport. The setup for each size of Snap Bag is identical, so let's take a look at the Astra IP 1x1 as an example. So you'll receive this carry case, and when you open that, you will get your diffusion sheet, and you will get the softbox as well. So it folds flat into the case, and then you just literally pop it out like that. There you go, to form the square shape. And then the best practice is to take the top latch there and clip it in already. So then you've got that, and then you're going to go over the front of the unit. Because it's elasticated, you can just pull that over, and it helps it just mount initially around the front. There you go. So even if you've got a battery plate or a DMX module in place, doesn't matter. These will still fit around it. So once you've got that top part in, you just kind of slide that up to the top there. You then need to grab the latches from the bottom. Again, it's elasticated, so you pull that round. So you can make any other kind of adjustments at the side to make sure everything is nice and aligned. And that is now securely fastened to the front of the unit. So when you've got everything lined up and aligned as you want it, you can then take your diffusion sheet. Now it's important with the diffusion sheet, as you unfold that and open it out, you want to go to the inside edge of the softbox because you want to leave this sort of additional inch of Velcro around the outside for any other accessories, which we'll show you in a second. So go straight in one corner and get it to just kind of bite in there. And then you can go down to each one to hold it in place. And then you literally just push it in place and keep it nice and secure. And as we say, this Velcro system is very effective at preventing any light leaks. So there you go, that holds in place. Very quick, very, very simple, very secure. So to direct the light output and also help eliminate spill, 𝗙𝗹𝗶𝗄 snap grids are also available. They come in 2 different formats. One to fit in the perimeter of the softbox here, as I mentioned, so you've got this extra Velcro layer. So you get the carry bag and it unfolds like that. And you get the square grid out like this. And very much with like how you put the diffusion in place, you want to just align the first corner up with the Velcro, sit it in there, and then just follow it into the various different corners, just like that. Very, very quick, very, very simple to add in. So now when you turn the light up a little bit, you've got even more control. Additionally, there is another grid, and this mounts directly to the front of the Astra IP itself, and you don't need the softbox or anything else. So let's remove that. So to remove that, again, it's just unclip, straight off, and then remove the latches, and then keep that out of the way. The direct fit one will come out of a carry bag in the exact same way, but as mentioned, this is just going straight on the front of the lamp itself. So you've got these elasticated sort of flanges around the edge which sit over the top of the lamp, but this will fit in the exact same way that the softbox does. So again, you want to have the top one already in place, clip that together, go over the front of the lamp, and then just guide that over so you can have that held in place. Okay, so once that's in, pull that down to one side, you feed the latches through, and again, we're just going horizontally across the back of the unit, pull that through as well, and clip it in place. So once you have everything lined up, you can tighten it if you need by pulling on the straps just to make it extra secure, and then you have a very, very compact but effective egg crate on the front of the Astra IP 1x1. So let's remove that now. Again, just unclipping the exact same way we would with the soft boxes. and it just comes straight to the front, folds down very flat, folds in half. So now let's take a look at the diffusion panel options, starting with the dome diffuser. This accessory is designed to deliver a softer aesthetic. It slides securely into the Astra IP accessory rails and sits further from the LED surface than a flat diffuser, creating a wider beam angle with greater wrap. This makes it ideal for shots where soft, even illumination is key. The accessory rails sit at the top here and bottom here. It's exactly the same as the Gemini series that utilize the very same system. So you want to just push in this button here with the front of the diffuser, and then it literally slides in the front, and then you'll know it's in place when you hear the click in. So I'm just going to turn it up a little bit here, and you can see how the front of the panel is set away from the LED, so it creates that wider, softer beam angle. Okay, so next we have the medium diffusion panel, which comes with all Astra IP fixtures as standard and offers a balance between softness and output. To mount the medium diffuser or any of the flat diffusions, it's very similar to the dome. You're using the accessory rails. Make sure it's facing the right way, so it's the matte side out and the shiny side in. You can identify what kind of diffusion it is by this little etching up in the corner. This one says medium. And once again, you want to line it up with the accessory rails, and you'll know it's lined up and in place when you hear that click. And because it sits flush with the LEDs, if you want to layer diffusion, the medium diffusion panel or any of the flat diffusion panels can be used with snap bags or the direct fit snap grids. For further light control, we also have honeycombs and barn doors available. You can find out more information about them on the website. Astra IP light shaping accessories offer a range of options to direct and soften your lighting. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like to learn more, visit litepanels.com.